Hi everyone, my name is Sana. And today I want to share the story of my very first flight with you. I had butterflies in my tummy the night before. I packed my favorite stuffed bunny, my pink suitcase, and a small notebook to write about all the things I would see. Mom said, "You'll see the clouds from above." Dad showed me how the boarding pass worked, and I practiced saying my name. To the airport. Sana Ahmed, just like the airline officer would ask. Early in the morning, Mom, Dad, and I drove to the airport. The roads were quiet, and the sun was just rising. At the airport, I saw so many people with big bags. Everything looked so big and bustling. First, we went to the check-in counter. I handed my suitcase, and they gave me a boarding pass with my name on it. Then we went through security. I walked through that funny gate and put my little bag on a belt to get checked. That said, "See, Sana, it's safe. Just follow the signs." Boarding the plane. We waited at gate 12. I looked out the big windows and saw the airplane. So tall and mighty, with giant wings. My heart started to beat faster. When it was time, we walked down a long passage and entered the airplane. The flight attendant smiled and said, "Welcome aboard." I buckled my seatbelt, and I was so excited. So now, I waved and found my seat by the window. I watched as people settled in, placed their bags above their seats, and got ready, taking off and in the sky. Then, we pushed back. The engines roared. The plane rolled forward, faster and faster. And then, whoosh, we lifted into the sky. I felt like I was floating upward, like my stuffed bunny was flying too. Soon they turned into little dots. Outside the window, I saw houses, cars, and tiny trees shrinking away. Then there were clouds, fluffy and white, like giant cotton balls. We flew above them, and I felt like I was walking among clouds. I ate a snack, juice, and a sandwich. I drew pictures of the clouds and wrote "I am flying" in my notebook. The flight attendant gave me a window shade sticker that glowed in the dark. I hope you like my story. Don't forget to subscribe.